Banasura Hills. The Banasura Hills, standing as the third largest peak in the Western Ghats at an elevation of 6,800 feet, grace the northern part of Kerala's Wayanad district. Banasura Hills are situated near the Banasura Sagar Dam, which is the largest earthen dam in India and the second largest in Asia. The Tourism Department of Kerala is organizing a trek to Banasura Hill. The trekking trail offers breathtaking views of the surrounding hills, valleys, and the Banasura Sagar Reservoir. The Banasura Hills trek is generally considered moderate in terms of difficulty. The trek distance is 7.5 km one way, which starts inside the dense forest and continues through steep rocky terrain and plain grasslands with few ridge walks. Walking through the grassland's steep rocky terrain is a delightful experience. There is a beautiful waterfall nearby this spot. The final stretch of the peak appears after crossing several hills, and the famous Banasura Dam can be seen in the distance. We get amazing view of Banasura Dam and reservoir from this spot. Banasura Sagar Dam is one of most attractive places in Wayanad. Most of the luxury resorts like Taj and Mountain Shadows are in this area.